everyone. My name is Tim Reha, host of Digital Health Live, doing a special on-location shoot here at the Health Tech conference in Silicon Valley. We have a guy from Bellevue, from my hometown, Alan Levy. He's a CEO of Chrono Therapeutics.
Yes, Chrono Therapeutics. And we're located in Seattle, and we also have an office in Hayward, California.
Awesome. So you're a speaker at today's event, and what was the topic that you came down?
Healthcare and therapeutics was a very interesting panel, because I think that's the future of healthcare.
Interesting. And what is your background in the health space?
Well, I've been in the healthcare industry for many years. I spent the first 20 years at Johnson & Johnson developing products for them. And then I left to do startups, and I've done 3 device companies that were very successful. And then my last company was a drug device combination product, and we took that all the way through, and that's been very successful. Great. And we started this company about 15 months ago.
Tell me about the landscape of technology starting 15 months ago that's enabling us to have completely new digital health and therapeutics models that wasn't available 5 years ago.
Okay, so what we're looking at is drug delivery. So there's been tremendous advances in new drugs, but the way we're delivering drugs is very much the way they were delivered 50 years ago. Right, and so the way that the pills are delivered may not be the right way to deliver it time to your symptoms. So we want to deliver the drug so it has the optimum effect on the symptoms. Second, if I sell you a bottle of pills, I have absolutely no idea whether you're using it. Yeah. So then you go into the doctor, and the doctor said, this drug doesn't seem to be working for you. Or maybe, so I'll double the dose. Well,
there's something like $1 billion just lost on people not taking their medicine, and more than that.
Close to $1 trillion. Yeah, close to it.
With the effects of not. Yeah.
Yes, with the effects of not taking it. The compliance rate is anywhere from 25 to 50%. So that means that most of the time it is that low. Right. And then, so with our product, we have smart drug delivery. So we deliver the drug so it's timed to the symptoms. We can measure whether or not you're actually taking the drug. And then we can send you messages to make sure that you're enforced, that you're encouraged, that you're rewarded. And then we can do data analytics to keep improving the therapy.
What are you guys using for, do you build your own sensors? Is it a pill I take, or what's the?
Ours is all transdermal, so it's drugs that are delivered transdermally. So,
patch?
Well, it's a device. Yeah, it's a smart device. So, and our first application is smoking cessation. Okay. So smoking is the #1 cause of preventable death in the United States. 1 out of every 5 deaths in the United States are smoking related.
1 out of 4 in China, I think.
Probably, and there are more smokers in China than there are people in the United States. So more than 20 million people try to stop smoking every year in the United States. They try 8 to 10 times, and they fail because the existing products don't work. And so we've developed a product that we expect to be dramatically more effective because it delivers the drug at the right time to prevent the cravings from occurring, which we know when the cravings occur, and we prevent them from occurring. And then we can measure whether you're actually using the device, whether you're getting the drug, and then we can send you reminders, encouragement, we can set up networks, all the things that have been shown to be really effective. So we're very excited about this, and then we want to do the same thing with other drugs.
So on the panel, who else was there, and what were some of the hot points that you guys were discussing?
There were 2 other participants, and they were talking primarily about diabetes and improving the care of patients who are pre-diabetic and patients who are diabetic.
And it sounds like the secret sauce to get these business models to work is you have to have a holistic approach and system, from sensing to the therapy to the actual drugs that are being administered, and then behavior. And
changing behavior, and that's a common thread. So I believe this is the future of drug delivery. It'll be smart drugs, smart drugs, and measuring whether they're taking the drug, and then behavioral support, all integrated into one system.
And that's a massive shift, kind of going from almost which seems like a non-connected kind of dumb system into a
Smart system. Yeah, and it absolutely is. So
real-time hooked up to my cell phone.
yeah, and absolutely. And so that's what I think the future of drug delivery is, and which I think will have be a revolution and dramatic improvement in healthcare and patient care.
So it sounds like you have a lot of exciting stuff coming up. 26 is around the corner. We're going to see everybody here at CES. What's your crystal ball for 2016, and where are you guys taking the company, and what do you need for support?
Okay, the company has been moving rapidly. We're 15 months old, moved very rapidly. We've done 2 small clinical trials. We're getting ready to do a larger clinical trial next year, and we'll be raising another round of financing next year and be hiring as well.
And how do people connect up with you, Alan?
Probably through our website, which is chronothera.com, chronothera.com, all one word.
And how do you like living in Washington State? It's exploding up. It's a hot spot.
Love it. I think it's the nicest place in the world to live. And despite the fact that I've been coming down to the Bay Area to work for the last 5 years, commuting daily, I wouldn't move from Seattle. I love Seattle.
So we're going to give a shout out to our friends at the WBBA, Washington Biotech Biomedical Association. I'm from Seattle. We want to give that a plug. And thanks, Alan, for your time, and we'll look forward to catching you.
Thank you, and I'm delighted to be at the conference and delighted to have the time to chat with you.
Okay. Hey, that's Alan Levy with
Chrono Therapeutics.
Chrono Therapeutics. Cheers. Thank you.